You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this type of dish from Italy. If you want to learn more vocabulary from Italian cuisine, more names of pasta, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. This is a Sicilian fritter, pronounced in Italian panelle. You have a double L, meaning that you want to make the L twice as long as you normally would. Panelle. So that's your Italian pronunciation. Panelle. In English, panelle. That's the plural. It's one panella, several panelle. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.